Globally, we produce now more than 400 million tons of plastic. Not all of it is recycled. Almost 32% of plastic packaging will end up in the natural environment. Hello, I'm Dr Florence Huynh. I'm a Vice President of Innovation at Polymateria. We develop biodegradable materials to help tackle the plastic pollution problem. Specifically, we develop a technology that you can put in certain type of plastics. This cup, for example, it's made of polypropylene, and people would be able to put our technology in this type of products. And if these cups then end up in the natural environment, it would fully biodegrade on land. There weren't many people knowledgeable in the field that knew how to do the testing, and so I had to work with a lot of different scientists around the globe to find the right partner to test our materials, and then to acquire a gigantic, enormous set of data proving that it's biodegradable in soil, that it works across the globe. My parents immigrated to France, and actually my dad was fleeing from the Vietnam War. They had no proper education, and so they did a basic job. They were always saying, you need to study really hard and become a doctor, so you don't struggle like us. That's why I focus on science. I actually remember when I was about 11 or 12 and I was mixing candies with random things like water, so the color disappeared and then reappeared as I added on something, and then I was like, oh, what just happened? I want to understand it. So I joined a science club, and then I made soap, toothbrush, lip balm. When I was 16, 17, I joined a fabulous program that was for children coming from low-income families to discover science, and that's where I did internship in research labs, and I discovered that I could actually do chemistry as studies. So here we had placed 2 different products in South Florida outside for 3 months. One without our technology and one with our technology. And after 3 months, the one that is without our technology has not really changed. And here you had the one that contained our technology. And you can see structurally it looks like a powder. And I can show you now the difference by heating them. So the standard plastic hasn't done much, just stuck to the bottom. But here, if I do the same and turn it upside down, here the wax flows a little bit like a candle. When this is in soil, the bacteria and fungi in soil will fully digest this wax and therefore fully biodegrade it. Science is about asking questions and trying to work out why something happens. And as you try to answer the question, you're going to learn new things. And that's basically science. We're all just working on something and then discovering new things, and along the path we make scientific discoveries. If I hadn't been curious, I wouldn't have joined those science club, that program for children from low-income families. Also just take the leap of faith, joining this company when I had no background in plastic. Well, I wouldn't be where I am.